girl magic. Y'all can't stand it, y'all can't ban it. Made out like a bandit. They've been trying hard just to make us all vanish. I suggest they put a flag on a whole nother planet.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Erika and I'm here today with an all about my hair. And my all about my hair is these passion twists. It's a trend that's going around right now. A lot of people do it multicolored, but I just stuck with black. It's actually a trend that I heard happened a while ago, but now it's coming back. But as we know, everything comes back. I got my inspiration from Boho Babe and Chef B, I think, and I'll leave their Instagrams and YouTube tutorials down below because they actually have a tutorial of how they did the hair, and that's what I followed. So my hair is, I did the rubber band method on most of my hair, and then like right here in the middle part I did like crochet. Like I twisted my hair down and just crocheted it through because I ran out of rubber bands. Let me tell you guys, I went to the hair store back where I'm from and they ran out of black rubber bands. Who does that? You tell me who runs out of black rubber bands at a hair store, and there's not even that many people where I live. So did you really ever have black rubber bands? So anyways, so yeah, I did the rubber band method. It took me 2 days. I washed my hair, I detangled my hair, I sectioned it out. I used rubber bands the front, all the back, and there's crochet right here in the middle part. Honestly, if you are really good at hair and you braid and stuff, you could do this by yourself too, and yours will probably last longer than mine. There's a girl here in Tallahassee who does passion twists for $140, and her Instagram will be linked down below if you just don't feel like doing it by yourself. So let's get into what hair I used. I used Freetress braid, crochet, and latch hook water wave, 22 inches in the color 1B. This is what it looks like. 1B. Yeah. So I used I used 5.5 packs of this hair. The girl whose video I followed, she used 7. I think if I didn't crochet the middle part, I probably would have used all 7 because I have a lot of hair and it's really thick. And like if you have natural 4C hair, I suggest using small hair sections so your hair doesn't like start showing through the twist like mine did in the back, but I just didn't redo them. What else? I used the argan oil edge control in black in a small little bottle to keep my hair attached to the twist. I think I'm allergic to it, but like we're just gonna ignore that because I'm not taking these twists out. And I also used this argan oil from Morocco Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. It'll be in my new video that probably comes out after this in my hair favorites if you want to hear my thoughts about this. This is how much I used if you want to know if I really liked it. Wink wink. I'll probably keep this in for about a month and a half, hopefully, if it still looks good. I really like it right now. If you guys want to know, like, if you guys want like a hairstyle video of like how to style these twists and different hairstyles to do with it, let me know down below and I will do that video. What else would you guys want to know about my hair? Would I ever do this again by myself? Yes. If I just feel like I want to be able to twist it properly and like hide my hair properly, and I just don't know how to do that yet. It never works for me. Maybe I heard that you have to straighten your hair first, and I didn't. I just went with my natural hair, so maybe that'll help next time. If you guys have any tips, leave that down below. I will be posting pictures of my hair, obviously. I'm gonna be adding gold jewelry to it and like gold strings and stuff, so if you want to see that look when it's like fully done, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Erika_Ayana. If you guys have any questions, please leave it down below. I would love to answer them. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, leave it a thumbs up if you love all about my hair videos. I love doing these videos because I love changing my hair. And if you guys have any hairstyles that you want me to do or think would look good on me, leave that down below too. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.